All right. So a ship of LBP so and so MCT CTBC is given. Center of flotation 1 meter forward of midship, draws 8 meter forward and 10.3 aft. So initial drafts are given. Initial drafts are forward 8 meter, aft 10.3 meter. Okay. So trim is how much?
So 2.3 meter by stern.
2.3 meter by stern. You need to find the final drafts when the following operations were carried out. All right. So the best option here is like what we have to do. We need to draw the line here. This is A, aft, B is bow. And total length is 150. So H is here. That is 75.
75.
So COF is 1 meter forward of midship. COF is here. HF is 1 meter. Okay, the diagram is not to scale, but it gives you fair idea
Okay.
what exactly you are going to do and where you are going to go.
Okay.
AH, if you want, you can write AH is 75 feet. यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक, right? And plus you have this HF. Let me show it with the blue color. This is HF. Okay. Then we are carrying out certain operations. So what we have to do, we can start with the table. Remark, then wait, and then we can write distance from center of gravity, distance from midship.
Yes, sir.
And distance from center of flotation. And then we can write further what is the trimming moment. This is in ton, this is in meter, and that will be in ton meter. So the first thing, what you have done, 2000 ton we have loaded. Okay. And कहाँ पे load किया हमने? Number 2. Number 2 lower hold 2000 ton. अच्छा, HG इसका मतलब from midship and the center of gravity is 40 meter forward.
Okay.
40 meter forward यहाँ पे है. Number 2 इधर है and इसकी distance यहाँ से है 40 meter.
Yes, sir.
That is 40.
Yes.
Right? Forward. You can write F for the forward. So what is the distance from center of flotation?
39.
39 forward.
Forward.
All right. So you have loaded something here in the forward, right? Loaded 39. So what is the trimming moment?
Sir, weight into this DH हो जाएगा, sir.
2000 into 39.
39, yes, sir.
Right. 78000. What will be the direction?
Forward.
Forward. Yeah, by head.
Yeah.
You can write forward also or by head also, right?
Yes.
What is the next operation? 400 ton loaded, number 4.
Number 4.
Number 4 lower hold
400
ton. इसकी distance कितनी है भाई? 25
meter.
aft. 25
aft.
इसको forward लिख लो, इसको aft. 25 aft. तो यहाँ पे 25 midship.
Yes, sir.
यहाँ लोड किया आपने. तो center of flotation कितना हो गया? 26.
Yes, sir. 26.
26 aft. I think it is better to write forward and off. Forward. Okay. So,
yes,
what is the trimming moment?
It's 400 into 26.
400 into 26.
10400.
10400. Now, what will be the direction?
Stern.
Stern. Make sense?
Yes.
The next 100 ton transferred. half peak tank to 4 peak tank distance 125 meter.
Okay.
ट्रांसफर 100 टन. बाय द वे ये लोड कर रहे हो ना, इसको प्लस लिखो,
Yes, sir.
प्लस लिखो. ट्रांसफर है, इसको जीरो लिख लो.
Okay.
ओके. ट्रांसफर में क्या है ना, टोटल डिस्टेंस लिखी जाती है और किस डायरेक्शन में है. हाफ पीक टू 4 पीक.
Forward direction.
And how much is the distance? 125.
125.
125 meter in the forward direction. Simple. So if you transfer something like this, what is going to happen from half peak? By the way, half peak is here.
Yes, sir.
4 peak is here.
Yes.
All right.
Yes, sir.
So you transfer something from half peak to 4 peak tank.
Yes, sir. To trimming by head on here, sir.
125 into 100.
Yes, sir. 12500 head.
By head.
Yes.
Okay. और अगला चीज डिस्चार्ज भी किया तुमने. थोड़ा सा केयरफुल रहना. डिस्चार्ज नंबर 3 लोअर होल्ड. नंबर 3 लोअर होल्ड डिस्चार्ज मतलब माइनस. हाउ मच?
175.
175. कहां से डिस्चार्ज किया आपने?
1 meter off.
नंबर 1 मीटर आफ्ट ऑफ एच जी. 1 मीटर आफ्ट ऑफ एच जी. यहां से डिस्चार्ज कर दिया आपने. 1 मीटर आफ्ट. सो सेंटर फ्लोटेशन से कितना हो गया?
2 meter aft.
2 मीटर आफ्ट. आफ्ट मल्टीप्लाई
350. 350.
350. You discharge from aft. What will happen?
Head. Trim by head.
Correct. Right. Anything else you need? No. You've done.
Okay.
So effective weight कितना हो जाएगा? लोडिंग में जाएगा, डिस्चार्जिंग में जाएगा? प्लस में जाएगा.
प्लस में जाएगा.
हाँ, तो कितना हो जाएगा? 2000 प्लस 400. 2400
-175.
minus 175.
225.
Weight will be final weight
2225.
2400
225. 2225.
minus 175. 2225, right?
Yes, sir.
Safe side इसको प्लस लिख लूं, so that you know that this is a loading part.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, what about this? Let's talk about this head trimming moment. Head कितना हो गया? 7800 plus 350. 78000 plus.
सर प्लस 12500 भी तो करेंगे.
है जी?
12500 भी तो प्लस करेंगे ना सर.
Okay. Sorry, I forgot. 350 plus 12500. 90850. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And stern trimming moment कितना है? 104000.
80450.
हाँ जी.
80450.
एक बार थोड़ा क्रॉस चेक कर लो, because I don't want to take chance at this critical stage.
Yes, sir.
Plus
same आ रहा.
500 plus 350. All right, 90850 and minus 10400. So what is the final trimming moment?
80450.
80450. यूनिट लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, ऊपर लिखा हुआ है. चाहे तो लिख सकते हो बाद में, लेस. राइट.
Okay.
So you have the final trimming moment. All right. So पहला चीज, let's find out the body sinkage. Body sinkage is W upon TPC. और body rise अगर माइनस होता तो body rise होता.
Yes, sir.
But since it is plus, so definitely it is the body sinkage.
Yes, sir.
225 divided by TPC कितना है?
34.
हाँ जी.
34.
दिखाई नहीं दे रहा मेरे को.
The first line.
34.
65.44.
225 divided by 34.
65 centimeters.
65.4
4 centimeters.
बस इतना छोड़ दो,
Okay.
इतना करके छोड़ दो. ओके, दूसरा चीज क्या है? I think we'll try to summarize here. You have final trimming moment. So
Okay.
trim cost is trimming moment upon MCTC.
MCTC. Yes.
This trimming moment is this one, 80450, right?
Yes.
And MCTC should be given 350. So how much is the trim cost?
229.85.
80450 divided by 350. Haji,
9.85.
857.
Yes, sir.
857 centimeter. Round off. Round off here itself.
Okay.
Okay.
230 हो जाएगा सर.
तो 230 ही कर लेंगे, राउंड ऑफ कर लेंगे.
Yes, sir.
I think
230 हो जाएगा.
no, this 230 centimeter makes sense.
Yes, sir.
Let's keep it this way.
Okay.
Okay. 230. So this TC has to be bifurcated into trim aft. Trim aft is what? LCF, correct? Upon LBP.
Into trim cost.
Trim cost. So LCF, ये 75 है plus
76.
76. Okay. That's why it is good to divide by
50.
150 into trim cost. 230 ले लिया.
230. Yes, sir.
230 into 76 divided by 150.
116
116.5 centimeter.
centimeter.
So trim forward 230 minus 116.5. बताओ.
Sir, 113.5.
113.5 हो जाएगा, right?
Centimeter.
Centimeter. Everything is in centimeter.
Okay.
Now we'll start whatever we have done initial drafts, right? Initial drafts. This is forward, this is aft. Forward कितना लिया आपने?
8 meter.
8 meter and 10.3.
Yes.
8 meter and 10.3.
3.
Now body sinkage is
Body
what?
linkage.
65.
0.65.
Can I round off? 0.654. Right? चलो, और एक्यूरेसी चाहिए तो एक डिजिट और बढ़ा लो. Because yeah, so body sinkage 0.6544, 0.6544, and you know body sinkage
Plus.
means
Side.
the draft is increasing on both sides. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Now change in draft, TA and TF.
TF.
So TF is how much?
1.1.
इसको point centimeter हो गया ना?
1.16.
1.1350, right? Sign
165.
भाई पहले फॉरवर्ड
हाँ, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Forward. Yeah.
इतना कंफ्यूजन, इतना रहता मत पकड़ो.
Yes, sir.
ओके. 1.135 मैंने 0 लिख दिया और इधर
Okay.
कितना हो जाएगा?
1.165.
1.650, right? Now,
Okay.
what was the trimming moment? Head moment was more. The
Yes, sir.
TC is by head, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
So that means your head trim is increasing
And
and
after
this is decreasing. What is the final draft?
8 plus 0.6.
8 plus 0.6544 plus 1.1350.
So 9.80.
789.
Yeah.
4. 4 places पे ले रहे हैं हम लोग.
ठीक.
Okay. And half draft कितना हो गया? 10.3 plus 0.6544 minus 1.1650 head trim आ गई क्या?
9.7 9.798 9.78.
Something is wrong somewhere.
Even के ला.
Something is wrong somewhere. Even keel तो नहीं आना चाहिए. Your trim cost should be 230. Eight meter and 10.3. 8 meter and 10.3. Body sinkage 2000, 2400. जो ट्रांसफर किया है वो हमने काउंट कर लिया ना. यस.
यस सर, उसको काउंट कर सर, जो ट्रांसफर किया है. ओके. हम
कहीं तो तुमने धोखा दिया मुझे. जो हुई कहाँ धोखा दिया?
नहीं सर, सही है. ट्रांसफर वो डब्ल्यू सही है हमारा. ट्रांसफर करने वाले को कैलकुलेट नहीं करना है.
चलो ठीक है. अगर है तो है. इमिन इमिन के लिए आ रहा है.
यस सर, एग्जैक्ट सेम आ रहा है.
बराबर है. 9.7894. करेक्ट. अगर हम इसको 3 डिजिट में भी लिख लें, लेट्स राउंड ऑफ. 9.789. 9.789. Right? These are the final drafts. So the final trim is how much?
0.
Final trim is 0. Right?
Okay.
And initial trim कितना है?
2.3.
2.3. So what is the trim cost?
2.3.
2.3 only, no?
Yes.
230 centimeter.
Right.
Meter. Yes, 230 centimeter. Correct. It has been checked. That is your correct answer.
Okay.
Sometime when you get such a
Okay.
figure, even key and all, you need to be a little careful.
Okay.
Taking कुछ गलत तो नहीं हो रहा. And it is, there's no harm in cross checking the final answer. All right. Give me a minute. Because this fellow. So let's tackle this problem. It says an oil tanker 150 meter long. So first of all, let's draw this straight line. This is aft. This is bow. Total length 150 meter long. Displacement is given. MCTC 200 ton leaves the port with a draft 7.2, 7.4. There is 550 tons of fuel in the forward deep tank. Center of gravity 70 meter forward of the center of flotation and 600 ton in the after deep tank. Okay, so and so. The center of flotation is 1 meter aft of midship. So midship is here, H, which is 75 meter.
Yes.
The COF is here, which is 1 meter. Correct?
Yeah.
During the passage, 450 ton of oil is consumed. Find how much oil must be transferred from the forward tank to the aft tank if the ship has to arrive on the even keel.
Even keel.
No problem.
Okay.
Initial draft. How much?
7.2 forward.
7.2 meter and 7.4 meter, right?
4. Yes, sir.
So initial trim is how much?
0.2. Sure.
0.2 meter by this
Sure.
term. what should be the final trim?
0.
Final trim should be 0. So what should be the trim cost?
0.2 by head.
0.2 meter by head. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Or in centimeter will be how much?
20, sir.
20, no?
Right.
20 centimeter by head. Trim cost. So trimming moment is trim cost into MCTC, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
MCTC तो दे रखा होगा हमारे पास.
200.
TC 200. 200 into 20. How much you get?
4,000 ton.
4,000 ton meter by head.
Yes.
That is a trimming moment.
तो ये टन मीटर होगा.
Trimming moment.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
सर वो 20 सेंटीमीटर नहीं लिया.
MCTC भी तो है ना, moment to change the trim by 1 centimeter.
Okay, okay.
What is the unit of 200? 200 ton meter per centimeter into
Yes, sir.
20 centimeter. अब बताओ क्या आ जाएगा?
Yes, sir. टन मीटर है.
टन मीटर आ जाएगा, नहीं आ जाएगा?
Okay.
Okay. So this is trimming moment. Now keep this information handy. What I will do, I will just open this question here on this side, so that I'm able to read it properly. Okay. Now let's see what is happening. Remark: weight, distance from H, distance from center of flotation, and trimming moment. Correct?
Okay.
So there is a fuel oil tank in the, there is 550 ton of fuel oil in the forward deep tank. Okay.
500 in forward deep tank.
First of all, we need to see. Okay, I think let's write the information what is given here. This is aft, this is bow. So 550 ton of fuel oil tank in the forward deep tank. So there is a 550 ton here. There is a forward deep tank. Okay.
Okay.
Center of gravity is 70 meter forward of
Center of flotation.
flotation. That is 70 meter. Correct.
Correct.
And 600 tons in the after deep tank. So here we have 600 ton.
Yes.
Center of gravity
60 meter.
60 meter aft of center of flotation. So that is 60 meter.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yes.
Okay. During the passage, 450 ton of oil is consumed from aft. कहाँ से consume हुआ? यहाँ से consume किया. How much you consume? 450 ton.
Yeah.
तो इससे trimming moment कितना create होगा?
Sir, 450 into 60 forward इधर.
This is 450 you consume.
Yes.
और इसकी तो जरूरत नहीं है. Midship से already
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
flotation से दे रखा है 60, right? Got to be careful. And this is aft, and you consume something 450 from aft. What will happen to your trimming moment?
Trimming movement by head.
How much?
27,000.
2700 0 by
Head.
head. What is saying? How much to transfer? Suppose you need to transfer from how much to be transferred to the forward deep tank to the after tank. If the ship has to arrive on the even keel,
Even keel.
how much you need to transfer here? कितना ट्रांसफर करना पड़ेगा? W
Sir, yes, sir, W.
0.
Yes.
डिस्टेंस कितनी हो जाएगी?
130.
130.
130 W.
Which direction? Aft.
Stern.
Transfer forward to aft, right?
Yes, sir, forward.
So 130 W,
W.
and this will be
Stern.
stern, right?
Yes.
What is the final trimming moment achieved? Head.
400.
So final trimming moment should be how much? Head.
4,000.
That means 2700. ये ज़्यादा होना चाहिए, ये कम होना
Yes.
चाहिए,
Yes, yes,
right?
yes.
And that should be equal to how much?
4,000.
7000 minus 13130 W should be equal to how much? 4000?
Yes.
You can easily find 130 W is equal to 27,000 minus 4,000.
4,000. 23.
That is how much? 23. 23,000, right?
Yes.
I hope you are not making
Yes,
mistake.
yes, sir.
23,000
177 ton.
divided by 130. 176.9 ton.
Yes, sir.
Okay, round off. If you want, you can round off to 177 ton. That we need to transfer from forward tank to aft tank so that you are on the even keel. That's it.
Yes.
Easy question.
Yes, sir.